Across centuries, glass has evolved from being used in a humble window to becoming an integral part of architecture. In many cases, it has become the building itself. Over time, one name has become synonymous with glass: Saint-Gobain. Saint-Gobain came into being in 1665 when King Louis XIV of France was constructing his architectural masterpiece, the palace at Versailles. For this, he needed glass for what was to become the spectacular Hall of Mirrors. Deriving its name from a village outside Paris and its logo from the historic Ponte Moussan bridge, the small glass unit from France grew to become the largest building materials company in the world. It stands 106th in the Fortune 500 list of 2005. Comprising over 1,200 individual companies spread over 50 countries and with a sales turnover of over $43 billion, Saint-Gobain has established leadership in all business lines: building distribution, high-performance materials, flat glass, packaging and construction products. Saint-Gobain has built its glass business over the years through systematic geographical expansion. Today, it has over 30 float glass lines operating all over the world, accounting for over $5.5 billion in sales. Saint-Gobain started its operations in India in 2000 with a state-of-the-art plant in Sriperumbudur, near Chennai. When Saint-Gobain glass started in India, the market itself was a nascent one. Competition was fierce due to excess capacity, and glass was a commodity. Adopting a strategy of differentiation and focusing on technology, quality, costs and marketing, Saint-Gobain became the undisputed market leader. Saint-Gobain invested heavily in technology. Its plant was the most modern plant at that time in India, and it could produce a mammoth 650 tons of glass per day. The plant was designed to be flexible and scalable, with the potential to accommodate future expansion, incorporating the latest technologies. To ensure raw materials of the right quality, the company invested over 30 crore rupees in creating its own beneficiation plants for sand, dolomite and calcite. Saint-Gobain has the most exacting quality standards in the world. Computer systems control quality through automatic measurements of over 3,000 parameters at the time of manufacture. This enables accurate traceability of each pane of glass from raw material to finished product. This ensures that the glass made in any one of its more than 30 float glass plants remain the same and preserves its world-class quality edge. This obsession with quality translates to many benefits for the customers. Standards that result in glass that is easier to cut and toughen. Glass that has less optical distortion for making better mirrors and for use in cars. Glass which is demonstrably the clearest among the float glass brands in India. Saint-Gobain's focus on manufacturing expertise is matched by its focus on developing marketing as a key differentiator by systematic investment in brand building. Its superior branding efforts have established brand awareness, brand association and brand loyalty based on the key strength of the product and the most important benefit desired by customers and influencers alike: clarity. National and international recognition have followed its brand-building efforts, but true recognition comes from the people who use and recommend its glass. A key strategy of Saint-Gobain's approach to marketing has been in recognizing the different segments and developing a product range specifically for them. As a result, Saint-Gobain has the largest and most versatile product range in India. However, the company's biggest strength in the Indian glass market is its relationships with the channels, dealers, fabricators, processors, architects, builders, carpenters and consultants. Backing up these strategies of Saint-Gobain has been its focus on cost control to ensure it remains competitive at an international level. It is the people of Saint-Gobain who have cemented together and enhanced the core values of the company. Whatever be the challenge, the Saint-Gobain team has delivered. Over the years, the team has taken on daunting obstacles and constantly exceeded expectations in every sphere. It is the effort of Team Saint-Gobain which has made the company what it is today. In the past 5 years, the Indian economy has transformed the country. The manufacturing, services and construction industries are booming. Our cities have changed, fueled by a population that has become more affluent, modern and global. Architects and designers are blending influences and innovating with new technologies. This has resulted in a more enthusiastic and innovative use of glass, and Saint-Gobain has been a critical part of this revolution. In response to the expanding needs of the Indian glass industry, Saint-Gobain has grown from a single float glass plant to a world glass complex. Spread over a sprawling 175-acre campus at Sri Perambatoor and created with a total investment of 1400 crore rupees, the World Glass Complex of Saint-Gobain is superbly equipped to measure up to the challenges of the future. The future is challenging, with a promise of greater growth, of greater opportunities, and an increased usage of value-added glass. The future that is suffused with prosperity. Saint-Gobain is building this future here in India. Saint-Gobain, the future of glass since 1665.